What if you could replace a bulky desktop with a tiny computer that still delivers serious processing power and modern AI capabilities? Today we're reviewing the GEEKOM IT15i mini PC, powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9285H, with 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD. With Intel integrated graphics, dedicated AI acceleration, fast connectivity, and a compact design, this mini PC is aimed at users who want a powerful workstation without taking up much desk space. But can the IT15 really deliver desktop-class performance in such a small package? Let's find out. The GEEKOM IT15 is built for users who need more than basic everyday computing. The Core Ultra 9285H features 16 cores and 16 threads, with boost speeds reaching up to 5.4 GHz, making it well-suited to demanding multitasking, productivity, development, and creative workloads. The included 32GB DDR5 memory and 1TB SSD provide a strong starting configuration for everyday work and larger applications. Its compact footprint also makes it suitable for offices, home workstations, content creation setups, and users who want a clean desk. Let's start with the performance and AI capabilities. The Intel Core Ultra 9285H combines 16 CPU cores with Intel's integrated Arc graphics, giving the IT15 more graphics capability than traditional entry-level integrated solutions. The processor also includes Intel's NPU3, designed specifically to accelerate supported AI workloads. GEEKOM advertises up to 99 TOPS of total AI performance, combining CPU, GPU, and NPU capabilities. That can make the IT15 interesting for AI-assisted productivity, image processing, creative applications, and other compatible AI workloads. However, remember that TOPS is a theoretical compute metric, so real-world AI performance depends heavily on the software and workload. Connectivity is another strong point. The IT15 includes modern high-speed connectivity for displays, storage and networking, along with multiple USB ports. Depending on the configuration, you get support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, USB 4 and multiple display outputs. The system also supports memory and storage upgrades, which is important for a mini PC intended to serve as a long-term workstation. You can use it with multiple monitors and connect external peripherals without needing a large desktop tower. In everyday use, the IT15 is designed to handle demanding multitasking without the footprint of a conventional desktop. It can be a strong choice for office productivity, programming, browsing with many applications open, photo work, video-related tasks, and general creative workloads. The integrated Arc graphics can also handle lighter gaming and graphics workloads, although this isn't a dedicated gaming PC. For demanding AAA gaming or GPU-heavy professional applications, an external or dedicated graphics solution will still have a major advantage. The biggest appeal here is the balance between CPU performance, AI acceleration, connectivity and compact size. So, is the GEEKOM IT15i mini PC worth buying? If you want a compact workstation with a powerful Intel Core Ultra 9285H, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, integrated Arc graphics and dedicated AI acceleration, this is a very interesting option. Its strengths are its high-end mobile-class processor, AI capabilities, compact design, modern connectivity and upgrade potential. The main limitation is the integrated graphics. If your priority is serious AAA gaming or professional GPU-intensive workloads, a dedicated GPU system will still be the better choice. But for productivity, development, multitasking, AI-assisted work, content creation and a clean desk setup, the IT15 offers an impressive amount of hardware in a very small package. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available deals, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mini PC reviews, computer hardware, AI technology, gaming gear and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.